tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nílé mo kí wa káàbọ̀ sí abala ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ pé kí ni eléyìí ní agbára o eléyìí ní agbára ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ìsìn náà lè mọ̀ rántí orin tí mo fẹ́ kọ yìí. Abiola is our man o, Abiola is our man o, MKO Kijibe action, Abiola 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 is our man o, MKO is our man o. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lè mọ̀ rántí orin yẹn ní 1993 olórin yẹn ń jà rìnrìn bí iná inú ọyẹ́ ní 1993 ṣùgbọ́n breaking news kan tí mo sáré mú ọlábala ǹjẹ́ ti gbọ́ náà ni wípé ààrẹ ológun ní ìgbà náà tá a mọ̀ sí Ibrahim Babangida ẹ ti mọ̀ ọ́n Maradona ó sọ ó lóun regret pé òun cancel election June 12 1993 ó lóun regret o ẹ jọ kí ló regret fún ó lóun regret pé òun ò gbéjọba Fábíọ́lá ẹ jẹ́ ń kà á bí Daily Trust ṣe gbé lónìí gbogbo ìwé ìròyìn pátápátá náà dẹ̀ ló ti gbé o ẹ jẹ́ wọ́n máa kà á sí wa létí wọ́n ní former military president Ibrahim Babangida IBB has expressed regret over the annulment of June 12, 1993 presidential election, saying he would do things differently if given another chance. Ẹ gbọ́ medicine after death kọ́ nìyẹn ó lágbára o ó ní agbára. He said this during the launch of his autobiography, A Journey in Service, in Abuja on Thursday. IBB further revealed MKO won June 12 election. That's 1993. Speaking after former Vice President Yemi Osinbajo reviewed the book, IBB took responsibility for the cancellation of the exercise, which was a two-horse race between Abiola, candidate of Social Democratic Party, that's SDP, and Bashir Tova of National Republican Convention, that's NRC. I regret June 12. I accept full responsibility for the decision taken, and June 12 happened under my watch. Missteps happen in quick succession, he said. In an interview which he previously granted, IBB defended annulment of June 12 election while saying he agreed that it was free and fair and also the best of election ever conducted in Nigerian history. He said Nigeria was not ready for a democracy rule as of the time the election held. June 12 was accepted by Nigeria as the best of election in Nigeria. It was free and fair, but unfortunately, we cancelled that election. I use the word unfortunately for the first time. We were in government at the time. We knew the possible consequence of handing over to a democratic government. We did well that we wanted ours to be the last military coup d'etat. To be honest with you, the situation was not ripe to hand over at that time. Forget about the wrong things that happened in politics. The issue of security of the nation was a threat, and we would have considered ourselves to have failed. If 6 months after handover, there was another coup, I went through coup d'etat and I survived it. We knew that there would be another coup d'etat, but not many people believe what we said. They could have allowed me to go away, and then the coup plotters would regroup and stage another coup. This is how coups are staged. One man will always come to complain, and he will try to convince you and about the complaint, Babangida said. He says security threats to the advent of democracy at the time culminated in fresh plan to conduct another election within another 6 months after June 12 annulment, which better strategy, but which he said he could not achieve as a result of the hostility which accompanied the cancellation. According to him, another election was conceived to come up in November 1993. He revealed further that he was determined to conduct another election, which culminated in the constitution of Interim National Government (ING), which he noted was eventually toppled by a military coup staged by General Sani Abacha. Now, the question now is this: if it is a Basiru Tofa, that won the election, will they still cancel it? And that is why I said, Yoruba, this is the time we need to think. Àkókò tó yẹ ká ronú lélẹ́yìí. These people don't mean well for us. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Basiru Tofa ló bá win, ṣé wọ́n máa cancel election yẹn? That is the question that we are asking now. Because it is Abiola, is a Yoruba man, they cancel the election. Káwọn èèyàn má bínú. Fine. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀, but we don't want Nigeria again. We want our own nation. That is what we are fighting for. That is ìyẹn lábala Angida sọ. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ẹ̀wẹ̀ tó tún dàbí ẹ̀ lábala ǹjẹ́ ti gbọ́ ni pé Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí ó ti fojú balẹ̀ ẹjọ́. Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí fojú balẹ̀ ẹjọ́. Wọ́n ti pè é, wọ́n ní kó wá wí tẹnu ẹ̀. Portable appear in court with controversial outfit over alleged assault on government official. That's the controversial singer Abibu Kikiola, popularly known as Portable, has been arraigned at the Sabo High Court in Abeokuta, Ogun State. So, he's there now. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti gbọ́ òun náà là ń kà sí wa létí yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ mọ́ bá wa láìkẹ́ mọ́ bá wa share rẹ̀ o. Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa lọ fà káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáńlá ayé. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ o pé kí ni abala rẹ̀ náà là mú wá yẹn? Ẹ bá wa láìkẹ́ bá wa share. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá ti subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ ṣé o tẹ́ ń tẹ́tí sí wa ní gbogbo ìgbà. iSing TV.